to Dashboard, then go to Settings from the Administration section and click on Google Sheet. Here you have to sign in to your Google account. So click on this Sign in with Google account option. Choose your Gmail account. Here you will be asked for a few permissions. Just allow all of them. Then you'll be back again and your Gmail account will be connected, as you can see. Click on the Sync Data button. It will sync all your Google account's data. Now let's create a Google Sheet. So click on this Create button. Select your Gmail account. You can have multiple Gmail accounts connected. So choose the one where you want to attach your Google Sheet. Now let's provide a sheet title. So I'm gonna write Demo Video Test. You can also add a header by clicking on this header button. And now save it. Now click on this Action button to check your Google Sheet that we just created. Okay, great. Now go back to Bot Manager and let's create a new bot. In the Flow Builder, double-click on the Start Bot Flow component. Write down your keyword for this bot, so I'm gonna write Google Sheet check. In the bot title, let's keep it same as the trigger keyword, so just paste it over here. Now let's choose the Google Sheet that we just created. Or you can choose any other Google Sheets also if you want. So I'm just gonna keep it this one. Now save the component. Then drag the text component from the Start Bot Flow component and double-click on it. In the text input field, I'm gonna write, hello, how are you? Now organize the bot flow and then save the bot flow. Now open your WhatsApp and go to your bot account. Type the trigger keyword so that the bot gets activated. Now go back to Google Sheets page and refresh the page and click on this option to see the sheet content. As you can see, my WhatsApp data is already on this sheet. As you can see, the bot responded accordingly. So that's all about it for this video.